I'm Laszlo from Connectorly. Welcome to the Connectorly YouTube channel. In this video, I show you how to manage the JSON type data in Power BI Desktop and how easily you can extract the data from a JSON field. I'm going to show you this using our HubSpot Power BI connector because HubSpot is one of those systems which lets you create custom properties against companies, contacts, etc. And because that can be different in every company, this is why we collecting those data, but then we pushing as a JSON format into Power BI inside a field we call custom properties. So let's deep dive in how to manage the JSON properties and how to extract them. As every HubSpot account is different, they use and create different custom properties against different entities. This is why a JSON field is a great place to hold these kind of data instead of hard coding them into our connectors. And it is really easy to access the custom data and extract any fields you need from your custom properties for your reporting. Let me show you how it's done in Power BI Desktop. Click on Transform Data. And once the Power Query Editor loaded, I'm gonna go into HubSpot Companies first. This is one of our table where we definitely have some custom fields. Once I found the custom properties, you can just click on the link on the top of those columns. And now you can see I have a couple of new fields which I created in HubSpot, and now I wish to extract them. You can do all of them, or you can select just those which you really need for the reporting. And once you selected them, you also can choose to use the original column name as a prefix, which means these will be created as custom properties .LinkedIn UID, or you can just leave and call them LinkedIn or premium text or whatever is your custom field name in HubSpot. Also, don't forget that later on you can rename those columns as many times as you wish. So let's try to extract these three and let's see how does it look like now. Let me show you the same against our deals. I'm going to the deals. On the deals, I'm gonna look for the custom properties field, which is our JSON field. It's holding some data. Let me see what are the custom fields. As you can see, we have a couple of them. In this case, I'm going to extract all of the fields I have in that custom properties, but I'm also going to use the original column name as a prefix just to show you how does it looks like in this case. So I'll click OK. And then, as you can see, I have the 4 new columns: custom properties.text amount, order number, etc., whatever fields you have in there. And from now, you can use it in any of these reports. This is how you extract data from a JSON field in Power BI Desktop. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you understand how to work with HubSpot custom properties and JSON data in Power BI. If you found this useful, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Power BI and data integration tips, and follow us on LinkedIn to stay up to date with new features and tutorials. If you would like to try this yourself, you can start a free trial on connectorly.io today and see how easy it is. You can find our free templates for the Power BI reports. You can download them, and it will be a great starting point to build your own reports. Thanks again, and see you in the next video.